Howdy, and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. This video we're going to be assembling the Toldi 1 tank. So let's do that. First of all, let's get the clippings done. So here's the clipper, and I'm clipping away this stuff. There's that. Let's clip that, and then let's clean up that sprue mark there. And then carefully, especially if you're working with a smaller scale, carefully get those clipped away. All right, there you go. And carefully as well, get this clipped. You don't want to break it, that would be a problem. So that's done. So now we just glue it together. So first of all, this is what that should be like. So just put a little glue down here, putting some glue on the edges there. There you go. Very good. Alright, so that's good. And here you have that. So let's put some glue there. Let's get that glued together. There's that. While that dries and stuff, let's go ahead and get a little glue here and there. Let's put that like so. There you go. There's the turret. Now, put some glue here and there while we're at it. Why not? Now we put that track on. Put that track on. Put the turret in. And there you have it, the little tank, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you for watching.